Hello everyone, my name is Parmeet Kaur, HOD CSC, RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today we are going to discuss number system convergence. Binary to decimal, binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. We have already discussed about decimal convergence and number system and various types of number system in previous lectures. So here we are going to discuss binary convergence. First one is binary to decimal. How we can perform binary to decimal conversion. First one is binary to decimal. Here we have number. You can take any binary number 1, 000. The base of the binary will be 2 and we convert this number into decimal and the base of the decimal is 10. How we can convert this binary number into decimal number? Here we have binary number that is 1 0 0 0 and the base of the binary is 2. So we calculate this bit 0 and multiply it with the base of the binary that is 2 and the power of the binary number will be start with 0, that is 0 into 2 raised to power 0 plus again the bit is 0 and multiplied by base 2 and the power will be 1. The power will be increased in the form of, from left to right. Again plus 0 multiply 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to power 3. So here when we multiply any digit with 0, the calculation is 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 2 raised to power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So our output is 8 and the base of the decimal number is 10. So binary is 1 0 0 0, that is converted into decimal number and the value is 8. This is how we can perform binary to decimal convergence. Okay. Next one is binary to octal. Binary to octal. The base of the binary number again is 2 and the octal number is 8. Base of the octal number is 8. So here we have binary number that is 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. You can take any binary number here. When we convert binary to octal, we divide the digits, the bits in the form of 3. Right? As we discussed in previous lecture, in octal we use 3-bit code. In hexa we use 4-bit code. So here we have octal. So we start from left to right, from right to left. Here we start from right to left, pairing 3-bit code. So 101 is 3-bit code, again 010 011. In the last we have 2 bits, that is 0 and 1. So for that we can add 0 at the left hand side. Here we can add 0. So the number is 101 010 011 and 010. You can add 0 in the left side, but you cannot add 0 at the right side. So here we have complete 3-bit code. Right? Now we can convert this 3 bits into octal. In octal we use only 3 bits. So we convert the 3 bits. We already discussed about 8421 code. 8421 code in previous lecture. By using this 8421 code, we can easily convert this number into octal. The value of the 101 is 101 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Again the value of 010 is 2 and the value of 110 is 6 and the value of 010 is 2. So the octal number is 262 5 and the base is 8. This is how we can convert the binary number to octal number by using the pairing of 3-bit codes. The next one is hexa, binary to hexa. Binary to hexadecimal. Again, the base of the binary is 2 and the base of the hexadecimal is 16. We have here, you can take any binary number 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. You can take any number. In hexadecimal we have 4-bit code, so we calculate this number. From right to left, 4-bit. In the last we have 3 bits, so for that we can add 0 in the left side to complete 4 bits. In hexadecimal we have 4-bit code. This is how we can convert these bits into 4 bits. So here we have, using 8-bit code, 8421 code, 8421 code, we convert this number into hexadecimal easily. Here we have 5 B, again 5. Here we have value of 11. That is why we placed here B.